Why was Gaelic so important for Irish identity? Imagine walking through a land where every stone, song, and story echoes with a language that has survived for centuries. That's Ireland, a place where Gaelic, also called Irish Gaelic, has been a key part of who they are. For hundreds of years, Gaelic was more than just a way to talk. It was a symbol of Irish pride and culture. When you visit Ireland, you can see this in the ancient Ogham stones. These are old Gaelic inscriptions carved into rocks that still stand today, showing how deeply Gaelic roots run into the land's history. Most Irish people spoke Gaelic in their daily lives. They used it to tell stories, write poems, and share religious texts. Some of Ireland's most famous manuscripts, like the Book of Kells, were written in Gaelic. These books are not just beautiful, they reveal what Irish people believed and valued long ago. Gaelic was the language of the heart and soul, connecting generations through words and stories. But when England took control of Ireland, the use of Gaelic started to decline. English became the main language, especially in schools and government. For Irish people, speaking Gaelic became a way to hold onto their identity. It was a form of resistance, a way to say, "We are Irish and we are proud." This made Gaelic more than just a language. It became a badge of Irish pride and independence. In the late 1800s, a movement called the Gaelic Revival began. People wanted to bring Gaelic back into everyday life. Groups like the Gaelic League worked hard to teach the language and promote Irish culture. They organized classes, festivals, and events to keep Gaelic alive. This effort helped Irish people reconnect with their roots and feel proud of their unique identity. Today, Gaelic is still spoken in parts of Ireland called Gaeltacht areas, mostly along the west coast. When you visit these places, you might hear Gaelic spoken in homes, shops, and schools. Many Irish people learn Gaelic in school, and it appears on signs, in media, and at cultural festivals. Irish language radio and television stations also help keep the language vibrant. For travelers, hearing Gaelic or seeing it on signs is a way to connect with Ireland's past and present. Learning a few Gaelic words like Daya Gwyd for hello or Slánta for cheers can make your visit more meaningful. It's a simple way to show respect and understand the deep roots of Irish culture. In the end, Gaelic is important for Irish identity because it links the country's history, arts, and traditions. It's a living language that tells the story of Ireland's resilience and pride. When you experience Gaelic during your travels, you get a glimpse of Ireland's soul, its stories, its spirit, and its enduring culture.